Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 130 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into Robinhood Recap May Edition. So these videos are meant for educational purposes only and not meant to be taken as financial advice. You are responsible for your assets and to properly protect them. So always do your own research. I like totally just stumbled over my words right there. Like I was saying, the last 3 months I've been not swing trading, and that was the same this month. However, I did make a few stock purchases. Basically, I bought about 8 shares of Snapchat with an average price of about $12, just a little bit over $12 per share. And for me, this was a speculative earnings call that didn't go as planned. It's okay, I'll probably just hold until it breaks 12 and then dump the shares. I also bought a share of Smart and Final. I mean, the price history, the financials on this company are pretty bad, but I do think in like the next 1 to 2 years, I think that there could be some solid growth. They did a big expansion as far as grocery stores go, and so we'll see what happens in the next like 2 to 3 years. I also picked up a little bit of CLM, which is a dividend stock for me. And this is because a lot of my other stocks or a lot of other categories in my portfolio performed a lot better than my dividend stocks did this month. However, in better news, my account finally broke $1,300. I mean, I guess this is some kind of milestone or something like that. Yes, I'm still sitting with about a fourth of my account in liquid cash, roughly $300 or so. And with that money, I'm either waiting to start swing trading again or looking to invest into some stocks that I feel are undervalued. However, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look. So if you look on the screen here, this is my breakdown overall my portfolio. These are all my holdings over here based upon the ticker, and then the color coded is the portfolio that they are currently in. We'll go ahead and scroll down here to basically my breakdown on portfolios. As you can tell, I still can put about $10 more into my dividends and about $1 into my long-term holds and roughly around $5 into bonds. Even further breaking down are the stocks by percentage in that portfolio. CHD, I could allocate another $15, almost $16 into there. However, the stock price right now is $49.91, so that's going to be a long time before I get to purchase that again. Let's go ahead and jump over and take a look at my actual like dividends or trades, more or less. This was the actual document that I was showing my trades, but now it's just dividends. So right now I made $2.34 in dividends. We'll go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom of this document. Here at the very bottom, here are the dividends that I got paid from: PFXF, HPT, which is a REIT that I picked up, and then also NFLT, which is a bond, and then CRF and CLM. Total, like I said, I got paid $2.34. The total growth on my account was $39.15 with a net growth of $13.15. However, you look at the percentage of growth, it was only about 1.03%. And if you look at my growth over my swing trade amount, it's only like 0.18%. And then the percent of growth to the actual swing trade is 0.54%. So overall, everything was green. I'm really happy about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the overall portfolio. So blue is in Robinhood, and I'll try to highlight that as well. As you can tell, from April to May, I didn't really gain a whole lot of money. But let's go ahead and take a look about how I did based upon last year's numbers. And like I said last time, I apparently did not include May. So I don't know what happened with that. Apparently, I just forgot last year somehow. I'm still speechless on how I slipped that up. I think, looking into the next month, look for my account to get some growth. I'll just continue to do what I've been doing. Keep on making my regular deposits, buying stocks that I can afford based upon my portfolio percentages, and maybe start to swing trade again. But we'll have to wait and see if that actually happens. Anyways, we'll go ahead and jump into the question of the day, which is, what's the most creative use of emojis you've ever seen? Well, I'm gonna be honest. I didn't realize that the poop emoji was actually chocolate swirls. And so whoever the creative genius thought to create a chocolate swirl emoji that looked like poop is a genius. I don't know specifically that's like the most creative use of emoji, but definitely high up there. I didn't even realize that it was a chocolate swirl until I found out, and my mind was like completely blown. Real quickly, I just want to let you guys know that I will be making videos on stash recap and acorns recap and stash retire recap into next week. Tomorrow's video that will come out, or actually yesterday's videos that came out, was a video that we released on our Stash Investors group, a group that I help manage that has about 59,000 users on Facebook. Feel free to join up on there, but I just wanted to let you know it's been a little bit difficult with getting these videos out, especially yesterday. My wife got in a little fender bender accident, so we've been trying to get that squared away this morning, and then also going and picking her up and figure out all that last night. So I just wanted to kind of share with you guys about how the video release is going and why stuff has been kind of spotty this week. But like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing, business strategy coaching, and M1 finance, post those questions down below. Please don't forget to subscribe right up here and check out my Robinhood recap April edition. Check out this other video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.